So in today's video tutorial, I want to demonstrate to you guys how to set up your TikTok ads manager if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, or any other African countries. So if you, if you have been running TikTok ads lately, you know that you can only run your TikTok ads from your TikTok app, but then you cannot do it through the ads manager account. But then recently, TikTok has made it available for everyone in Nigeria, Ghana, or any other African countries to run TikTok ads directly from the TikTok ads manager. And that is what I'm going to show to you guys today on how to create your TikTok ads manager account in 2025 if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, like I said. So I'm not going to be wasting time, and I'll be jumping straight to my laptop screen right now to show you guys the practical step-by-step guide on how to create your TikTok ads manager account in 2025 if you're in these African countries that I just mentioned. So the first thing that you're going to be doing here is just go to open a new tab and go to ads.tiktok.com. So you hit on enter here. But then the first step is that make sure that you're logged into the TikTok account that you want to connect with the TikTok ads manager account that you want to create. So this is my TikTok interface, TikTok ads.tiktok.com interface, but I'm still going to reload here because it hasn't loaded fully. Alright, so it has loaded fully, and I'll be clicking on this option that says login. See that we have login and we have get started. So if you click on get started, it means you want to create everything from scratch. That means you don't have to sign into your TikTok account before you can use this option that says get started. But they want to make the process to be seamless and fast, so that's why we first logged into our TikTok account, then we'll be using this option that says login. So once you click this option, it means we'll be taken to another tab again, and we'll be logging into this account via our TikTok account that we have already logged in. So I'm going to be using this option that says login with TikTok. You see the first option that we have to go through the route of email address or password, but then we don't want to use that route because it's going to be so lengthy. It's going to take a whole lot of time, and I don't want to do that because I don't want this video to be somehow difficult for you guys to practice on your end. And that is why I'm going through this route that is very simple and easy to actually go through. So all you have to do is to use this option that says a login with TikTok. Click on it, and you have to authorize the login, like to approve the login. So you have to go through these terms. So if you are comfortable with all these terms, then you can click on continue. So once you click on continue, it means you are giving approval to your TikTok account to be used to create your TikTok ads manager in 2025. So you see that we have to enter an email address here. So I don't know the email address I'm going to use right now, but let me look for any of my email addresses. Okay, let me try this and see. I think this email is already registered with another TikTok account. So let me try something like swaggercoast at gmail.com. So I'm gonna try this. Then I'm gonna click on get a code. So let me check my phone for the code. Okay, I have to first approve a captcha. So after this captcha, before the code will be sent to me, so I have to look for numbers that are similar, or either number or alphabet that are similar here. I think we have G that is similar here. So I'm gonna click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, you see that the code has already been, okay, click on send the code. Okay, so this email is already associated with a TikTok business account. So let me look for another of my email. Oh my god. So let me search for Abu Celestino at gmail.com. Let me try this and see. Send the code. So I still need to approve the captcha. I think we have this as uniform shapes here. Okay, yeah, this is approved now. So let me check my email. So I'll be jumping straight to my email and check for the code. Once I get the code, then I can input it and continue from there. Bruce Celestine, okay, yeah. So the code has been sent to my email. So I'm gonna be entering the code now. WJTBCG. Oh my god. WJTBCG. So I'm gonna click that. Okay, by clicking I accept the terms and conditions, then I'm going to click on confirm here. So if everything works fine, you see that it will be approved. I'll be taken to the next step. So you see that creating your TikTok Ads Manager account in 2025 in Nigeria or Ghana is very simple. So once you follow this guide step by step, I tell you that you're going to find it very easy and it's not going to be difficult for you, because it is important. Oh my God, I think something is wrong with my network. So I have to refresh this. Oh, okay. So it's still loading. So you see that running TikTok ads from your TikTok Ads Manager account is very much profitable compared to when you are running it from your TikTok app, because this gives you access to more features when it comes to targeting and also tracking to know how your ad is performing. So let me continue with the setting up of this TikTok Ads Manager account. So company's website. So you see that this is recommended. Let me see if there's an option to skip. So there's no option to skip. So let me look for my website here. So practically I'm going to use a website for one of my clients. Then I'm going to be copying the URL here. So once I copy the URL, I'm going to be pasting it here. So you need to select your industry. So e-commerce here. I'm going to select e-commerce, electric appliance, glass. So you can select anything at the moment. So this does not mean that if you select a niche you cannot run ad through other niches. No, that's not how it works. So I'm going to put it on order for now. So e-commerce slash order, you see the region Nigeria. So before, if you have been trying to create your TikTok ads manager account in the past, maybe like 3 months and how many months or years back, you discover that in this country or region, Nigeria will never be available to you. Nigeria is not available. Ghana and other African countries are not available to you. But right now, you see that Nigeria has been selected for me. For them, search for Ghana, or Ghana is still not here. But you see Nigeria. Nigeria is available. So this means that as a Nigerian, you can actually run TikTok ads directly through your Google. Oh my God, what am I saying? So as a Nigerian, you see that it is very, very easy for you to run your TikTok ads directly through the through the TikTok ads manager. So you have to give your business a name. So if you don't have a business name yet, I don't really know, but then for you to run a business, I think you should have a business name. So I'm going to be using my business name here, Grand Rich Group. So that is the name of my business. I'm going to send it here. Then my phone number. I think I have used this phone number with TikTok before, but let me see if they're going to allow me to proceed. So if they don't, I'm going to switch it to a new phone number. Then by clicking here, you agree to join the beta tester program. This is optional anyway, so the most important thing is to select this first option that says that by clicking you agree to the TikTok terms of service. Like you need to agree to the terms and condition. So this one is optional, so it's not compulsory to join their beta testing. But then if you want to like help their ministry, it is also important that you help them out, because they are helping you and also you have to help them in return. So like in Nigeria, you rub my back, I rub your back, and everybody are happy at the end of the day. So now that we have feed everything correctly from the first step that you requested from our website, and the last option that we have to agree to the terms and condition, then we got to click on continue. So once we click on continue, then the business manager account will be created for us. So you see that the process is so simple. So if you follow this guide, like I said, you're going to find it very, very easy and cheap to create your TikTok ads manager account in 2025. So you see that we have a lot of terms and conditions that we have to be accepting, but don't worry, just read through it. But if you don't have the option, or sorry, if you don't have the time to read through the options, all you have to do is just click on accept and proceed, because without you accepting the terms you cannot continue. It's not possible. So you have to make sure that you read through the terms, you understand everything very well before you can continue. So you see that we have this interface for us now, that we can create a TikTok ad right away. You see brand awareness. These are objective, like a campaign objectives. So you see brand awareness, sales, lead generation, and the rest of them. So TikTok ads manager is somehow the same with Facebook Ads Manager, because they almost have the same interface. Like the difference is not that much. So if you are used to running Meta ads in the past, I tell you that running TikTok ads, it's going to be so easy for you. But then This video is not about how to run TikTok ads. The video is to teach you guys how to create your TikTok ads manager account if you're in Nigeria. So if you've been finding it difficult to create your TikTok ads manager in 2025 if you're in Nigeria, I want to strongly believe that you can actually do it now by following and also replicating everything I have discussed in this video. So that is all I have for you guys for now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because that is the only way that you're going to help me to grow this channel. So thank you, and make sure that you watch my next video, because in the next video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create your first TikTok ads in 2025. So thank you guys, and have a great day, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.